Welcome back to Akhtar's Adventures. In today's video, we are going to discuss a very important topic of English language because I believe that if you watch the video properly and completely, you would be able to see a remarkable change in your English conversation. So I request all of you that please watch this video properly and the things which I am going to discuss are absolutely crucial for you all. So without any further ado, let's begin. तो आज का जो टॉपिक है हमारा जो टॉपिक है इसमें हम बहुत सारे रॉन्ग और राइट सेंटेंसेस को देखेंगे जिसमें हम लोग नोटिस किए हैं जिसमें बहुत सारे इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स इवन इफ दे स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश बट दे डू दिस सिलिएस्ट ऑफ द मिस्टेक्स। तो आज का जो सेंटेंस होगा राइट सेंटेंस वर्सेस रॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस। तो पहले हम लोग रॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस को डिस्कस करेंगे, पहले हम लोग रॉन्ग सेंटेंसेस को डिस्कस करेंगे, देन वी टॉक अबाउट राइट सेंटेंसेस। सो हमारा पहला जो सेंटेंस है, बहुत सारे टाइम हम लोग कुछ करते रहते हैं या कुछ क्लास में मौजूद रहते हैं, किसी से किसी बात को दोबारा पूछना है, तो जब हम किसी को कोई चीज रिपीट करने बोलते हैं तो समटाइम्स सो मेनी पीपल दे कमिट मिस्टेक, वो ऐसा बोलते हैं रिपीट अगेन, प्लीज रिपीट एंड अगेन। तो रिपीट एंड अगेन वी कैन नॉट यूज टूगेदर। तो इधर यू से रिपीट प्लीज और यू कैन से पार्डन प्लीज और यू कैन से कुड यू कम अगेन। तो रिपीट अगेन you cannot use together. I'll provide you notes also. So either you use pardon please or second you can use could you come again or you can use you can directly say sorry sir. तो आपको सामने वाला उस पर्टिकुलर चीज को रिपीट कर देगा। So do not use repeat and again together. Now moving ahead to the point number 2. Sometimes we listen many people they tell that vocabulary and words we are not supposed to use together. So either you say vocabulary or you say today's words or words of the day, आप इस तरीके से बोलेंगे। Point number 3 which I want to tell that sometimes we forget certain things. We actually don't forget, we leave something in different places. For instance, कभी कभी हम लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसे घर से निकले, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टफ है जो छूट गया है घर में, तो हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, अरे यार आई फॉरगॉट माई मोबाइल एट माई प्लेस, आई फॉरगॉट माई मोबाइल ऑन द बेड। तो वी जनरली डोंट फॉरगेट, वी लीव our stuffs. So rather saying I forgot my mobile, say I left my mobile on the bed or I left my mobile at my place. Moving ahead to the next sentence, like so many people they commit this particular mistake, and I also have come across this particular mistake several times through several people. The thing is, like, people say when you commit mistake, people say this was blunder mistake. So blunder and mistake cannot be used together. Blunder itself means a big mistake, and mistake is just a mistake. Even in small mistake you can say I made a mistake, but you cannot use blunder and mistake together. So say blunder, I made a mistake, or it was blunder from my side. Understood everyone? I think you're enjoying the video. Moving ahead, we have few sentences like out of, sometimes we go out of our native place, sometimes we visit in several places. So when you get a call from someone or from your friends, तो पूछते हैं भाई कहाँ है, तो बोलता मैं आउट ऑफ स्टेशन हूँ। So rather saying out of station, you are supposed to say I am out of town or I am out of my village. Out of station is not that appropriate. We are supposed to say I am out of town, or you can say I am out of my village, I am out of my place. क्योंकि आउट ऑफ स्टेशन आप कभी कभी एक्चुअल में भी आउट ऑफ स्टेशन रह सकते हैं। मान लीजिए आप रेलवे स्टेशन के जस्ट बाहर है, उस वक्त आप भले बोल सकते हैं कि मैं रेलवे स्टेशन के बाहर हूँ, दैट इज समथिंग एल्स। तो आपको क्या बोलना चाहिए, आई एम आउट ऑफ टाउन और आउट ऑफ माई विलेज। Now moving ahead to the next sentence, that there is a sentence, she is married with a doctor. So when you talk about marrying someone, so we are not supposed to say she is married with a doctor. The correct preposition is here, she is married to a doctor, he is married to a teacher. So with के जगह आपको to को replace कर देना है, preposition भी सही हो जाएगा और sentence भी सही हो जाएगा. Now moving ahead, so there are so many things which we do, silliest of the mistakes while speaking. So I have noticed and written in my mobile phone, like everyone is. तो everyone, every individual को indicate करता है. तो most of the time, so many people they commit mistake. Everyone are, so everyone are के जगह आप क्या लगाएंगे? Everyone is. So everyone, every individual को indicate करता है. इसी तरीके से next है afraid, afraid from. So afraid from की जगह आप afraid of use करेंगे. I'm afraid of swimming. I'm afraid of going outside at midnight. Rather using afraid from, use afraid of. Most of the time people commit mistake by saying, if you are okay with that particular time, for that particular situation, you say I am agree. So rather saying I am agree, say I agree. I am agree is not correct statement, so you are supposed to say I agree. Now moving ahead, I prefer tea than a coffee. When it comes to comparison between tea and coffee, sometimes we think that यहाँ पर than लगाना चाहिए. I prefer tea than a coffee, but we are supposed to say I prefer tea to a coffee. I prefer tea to a coffee. Then people, people is already in plural form, so most of the time we do that. People is standing there. So rather saying people is, use correct one, people are. People is already a plural form. So with that we are supposed to use people are. Now next one is that it is quite interesting and my favorite as well. Most of the time we are very comfortable with something and someone. तो हम ये बोलते हैं कि I am good in this particular field. I am good in chemistry. I am good in English. I am good in making video. So it is the correct preposition here would be I am good at. Remember one thing that good के साथ हमेशा at use करिए rather in. Good के साथ in बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोग frequently mistake करते हैं. So we are supposed to say I am good at English. I am good in English. Inappropriate हो जाएगा. तो आपको कहना चाहिए I am good at English. I am good at Hindi. I am good at playing cricket. इसी के opposite अगर weak बोलना है, I am weak at नहीं होगा फिर. I am weak at English. I am weak at chemistry. I am weak at playing cricket. I am weak at making videos. तो weak at नहीं होता है. weak के साथ आपको in लगाना चाहिए. The correct preposition is in. I am weak in chemistry. I am weak in playing football. I am weak in speaking English. तो weak in नहीं लगा के weak in लगाना है, rather weak at. So remember always good at and weak in. So I believe this kind of sentences are very common, where while speaking we commit these sort of basic mistakes, and I request that this video would be helping you to speak correct, to speak in a proper way, because speaking English and speaking English in a correct way, there is a world of difference, right? So let me check if something left. हाँ, एक लास्ट मैं बता देता हूँ, then we'll be winding up for the day. बहुत बार मिस्टेक्स हो जाते हैं तो हम लोग बोलते हैं I did a mistake. I did a mistake. Do का just past form लगा देते हैं I did a mistake. So rather saying I did a mistake, ये appropriate sentence और statement नहीं होगा. So rather saying I did a mistake, से आई मेड अ मिस्टेक, आई मेड अ मिस्टेक। सो आई बिलीव आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, कुछ खामियां रह गई होंगी, सही से मैंने बोर्ड को यूज़ नहीं किया है। आई होप मैं बोर्ड में पीपीटी तैयार करके इस वीडियो को और इस तरह के वीडियो को अपडेट करूंगा। आई नीड योर सपोर्ट। इफ यू लाइक्ड आवर वीडियो, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विथ योर नियर एंड डियर। थैंक यू। थोड़ा हड़बड़ा